95% of candidates failed this WASI maths question. Let's solve it step by step so you never repeat the same mistake. Let's delve right into this.
Welcome to Math with Father. Welcome to Math with Father. Subscribe, like and share.
So given the exponential equation 32 raised to the power a plus b equals 16 raised to the power a plus 2b, and we are being asked to find the value a. So from the given exponential equation, we have 32 acting as a base and AB acting as an index. So looking at the expression at our right hand side, we have 16 acting as a similar base, and a plus 2b also acting as an index or power. Now what we are going to do is to simplify the base to a common base, and then looking at the two bases, they are repetition of 2, so we can set our common base as a base of 2. So before we set, we should know the number of times 2 multiply itself to get each of these base. So let's start. We have 2 multiplying itself 2 by 2 by 2 by 2. 2 by 2 we have 4. 4 by 2 8. 8 by 2 16. 16 by 2 32. So 2 repeating itself 1 2 3 4 5 5 times gives us 32. 2 raised to the power 5 multiplying a plus b equals our right hand side of the equation. We have base 16. Now let's find out the number of 2 repeating itself in order to get 16. We have 2 by 2 by 2 by 2. So 2 repeating itself 4 times. 2 raised to the power 4 by a plus 2b. Now we would expand our index form. We would expand it. So this is the expansion. 2 raised to the power 5 by a gives us 5a plus 5 by b gives us 5b equals 2 raised to the power 4 by a gives us 4a plus 4 by 2b gives us 8b. So these are the simplified exponential equation, and we are to solve for a. So looking at the left hand side of the exponential, we have 2 raised to the power 5a plus 5b, and this could be expanded this way. 2 raised to the power 5a times 2 raised to the power 5b. So that is the expansion. Similar to the right hand side, 2 raised to the power 4a times 2 raised to the power 8b. So we have to find a common index form in order to eliminate. So we move on expanding our index form. Now let's move on. So now the first one, we have 2 to the power 5a, and at the right hand side we have 2 raised to the power 4b. So meaning we can simplify this, or we could break this down, this one, in order to attain, or in order to contain 4a. So let's see. 2 raised to the power 4a plus a. 4a plus a gives us 5a. So we have that has this times 2 raised to the power 5b equals 2 raised to the power 4a times 2 raised to the power 8b. So we could also expand this. 2 raised to the power 4a times 2 raised to the power a times 2 raised to the power 5b equals 2 raised to the power 4a times 2 raised to the power 8b. Now we can cancel or eliminate the common index forms. We have 2 raised to the power 4a, 2 raised to the power 4a. So it's been eliminated. 2 raised to the power 4a gets rid of 2 raised to the power 4a. Now what do we have left? 2 raised to the power a times 2 raised to the power 5b equals 2 raised to the power 8b. So similar to how we eliminated the 4a, we are going to do same to the 5b, meaning the right hand side of the index form could also be expressed in order to contain 5b. 2 raised to the power a times 2 raised to the power 5b equals 2 raised to the power, now expanding this also gives us 5b plus 3b. 2 raised to the power a times 2 raised to the power 5b equals 2 raised to the power 5b times 2 raised to the power 3b. Now we have a common index form that could be eliminated. 2 raised to the power 5b gets rid of 2 raised to the power 5b. So these are what we have. We have 2 raised to the power a and then 2 raised to the power 3b. Let's proceed. 2 raised to the power a equals 2 raised to the power 3b. And from indices, if the bases are the same, the exponents or index are equated. A equals 3b. So this is the result or solution for A. Now it's your turn. Try solving similar exponential equation and share your answer below. If this helped, smash the like button, subscribe, and let's make math and
Subscribe,
science a
like and
reality.
share.
Thank you. I'm out.